Good afternoon, students. Today is our theme, the present perfect tense. Let's pay attention to the grammar table. The present perfect is a grammatical combination of the present tense and perfect aspect that's used to express a past event that has present consequence. The term is used particularly in the context of English grammar to refer to forms like I have finished. The forms are present because they use the present tense of the auxiliary verb have, and perfect because they use that auxiliary in combination with the past participle of the main verb. Let's make up sentence for the present perfect tense. In our previous lesson, we have learned by heart irregular verbs, and regular verbs we just add ed. For example, I have worked. Here we use only ed. It's a regular verb. You have finished. They have played. We have smiled. She has danced. He has explained. It has trained. I have gone. You have lost. They have spent. We have understood. She has begun. He has put. It has caught. This is how we put questions to the present perfect tense. General questions are here have and has. Have we use I, you, we, they. For example, have you already seen this film? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Has we use he, she, it. For example, has Mary cleaned her room yet? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Key words of the present perfect tense are already, yet, just, ever, never, lately, and recently. Let's make up sentence for the present perfect tense. For example, they have just come back. Has your brother left school yet? I haven't done my homework yet. The word yet we use only negative form and the question form. Next, I have already done my homework. I have never been to London. Have you ever been to London? How many English books have you read? Students, if you have understood the theme, let's do Unit 15.